Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Leadchuang's flat plug 8-in-1 power strip. It is a 6-foot long power strip with 3 AC outlets, a total of 3 USB-A ports and 2 USB Type-C ports. The AC output ports have a 15 amp, 125 volt, 1875 watt output power, while the USB output ports have a combined 5 volt, 3.4 amp, 17 watt maximum output power. Now the USB-C is 5 volt at 3 amps and the USB-A's are 5 volt at 2.4 amps. It also has a built-in surge protection of up to 1600 joules to safeguard your devices from potential power surge. The soft and bendable cable is also flat in design and measures in at just 3 millimeters in thickness. There are anti-slip footings as well as the wall mounting bracket built right in for super easy wall mounting. Now the built-in wall mount can also be used as a phone stand when the strip is placed on the table. Now the 0.5 inch or the 12.7 millimeter flat plug design is ideal for wall sockets that are positioned right behind furniture placement. So sockets behind furniture are now usable, and the annoying gap between the furniture and the wall is thus eliminated, since your furniture can now be placed right up against the wall without crushing the plug or damaging the furniture. Now, did you know that prior to the year 2022, there was no such thing as a flat wall plug power strip? Well, now these power strips are available on Amazon with just 1 day Prime shipping. So if you want to check it out for yourself and eliminate the annoying gap that is between the wall and the furniture while gaining 3 AC ports, 3 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports, the link to this product is down below in the video description. So I thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.